Yeah, it's at my best friend's house. Right at the front of it. He's got squatters. Thousands of them. Yeah, look at them. Had one sting me earlier, and after 2 agonizing minutes, it finally died. So that's why they're leaving me alone. They don't want none of the travel hog, baby. Get biblical on their beehive. I see them flying around me right here, but I ain't scared. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeVille. There you are, kind of getting a little closer to me. Yeah, look at him, sure enough. There it is. Yeah. Oh yeah. I hate that for my buddy, but look at them coming out from the hole and underneath. Oh yeah, they got ourselves a colony in there. It's the hive mind. Hey look, it's your average Democrat. Hee 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 hee. I'm only serious.